Hello, welcome back to your 10th video of the Elvis Uke challenge. This is the end, and today we're working on In the Ghetto. This song has two main sections. We have the verse and the chorus. So let's go straight to the verse and get started. For the verse, we will need chord C. Look at how I'm playing C. Look. Index finger on the second fret and middle finger on the third fret. And that's because the next chord after that is an E minor. And so it helps me to have the index finger already in place. And then my fingers stay in a similar position. They just move up a fret and over a string for F. And then here's the secret sauce for the switch from F to G. Look up. Look at my elbow. So I'm opening the elbow. And now look at this knuckle right here. Look. From F to G. So those are the little secrets that help F and G, that chord switch work. Now the strumming pattern. Every time you see a chord listed, give it two strumming patterns like this. Down, 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 up. That's the first one. And then again, down, 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 up. That's the second one. So in the beginning, we have two C chords. So let's try that. 1, 2, C chord, ready, go. Down, down, down. 2. Again, 1, 2. Great. Next we have an E minor. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, down. Again, down, 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 up. Because each chord gets those two strumming patterns. And now we've arrived to the chords in brackets. And for those, each one is going to get one strumming pattern. So it'll sound like this. Down, 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 up, switch, down, 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 up, switch, and then back to the C chord. So the most challenging part here is that quick switch from F to G, and the best way for us to master it is to just practice it a bunch of times. So let's try to play through the verse. 1, on the C chord, 1, 2, C chord, ready, go, down, 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 down. C chord again, down, 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 up, E minor, good, fast, down, down, switch now, down, down, switch now, good. Actually, something I didn't mention, I'm a bad teacher. When you're at the G chord, go to the G chord with me. Your middle finger is already on string A, so all you have to do is slide to the 3rd fret on that one. And that helps you go, after you've done your F, your G, slide on the middle finger, and that sets you up for that C chord. So let's try the verse again. 1, 2, 1, 2, C chord, ready, go, down, 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 up, down. Again, down, 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 up, down. E minor, 1, 2, fast switches, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. The singing note here is an open C string. As the snow flies. Let's try it again. Verse 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. As the snow flies on the cold and gray. I messed it up. That was my fault. Let's do it again for me. 1, 2, my bad. 1, 2, ready. As the snow flies. 1, 2, switch. On the cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. In the ghetto. And his mama cries. Switch. Cause if there's one thing that she don't need is another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. In the ghetto. I went to the second verse because the form or pattern is exactly the same for both verses. And so now you've learned like 50% of the song. So let's go to the chorus. Okay, so let's get straight into the chorus. We have a G chord and we're gonna give it two strumming patterns. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up. Great. Now we have F and C. Each one will have one strumming pattern. 1, 2, ready, go. down, down, up, down, 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 down. By the way, that F and that C, I'm playing F with my normal fingers, but the C I played with my pinky there. It just helps me to reach it more quickly. You can use the ring finger if you like, but the way my hand sits, the pinky works well there. Okay, let's try that first line. 1, 2, G chord, 1, 2, ready. Okay, now let's go to the next line or the next section of the chorus. We have one strumming pattern on F, one strumming pattern on G, and then 2 strumming patterns on C. Let's try that. You can do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. 1, 1, 1, 2. Let's try those 2 sections of the chorus so far. So beginning of the chorus. 1, 2, G chord, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. This is a really interesting song, right? There's some interesting changes here. I really like that. Okay, the next section of the chorus is exactly like that first part of the lyrics. So we have we have G for those 2 strumming patterns, and then F to C. And now we're going to close off the chorus, and we have you're going to have to be quick with this switch. So we have an F to an E minor, to a D minor, to a G. And each one has just 1 strumming pattern. So if you're kind of barely hanging on here with that single strumming pattern that happens on the bracketed chords, then you can be creative and just do 1 down strum. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then come back into the strumming pattern when you get to the C chord of the next verse. So you can be dramatic about it, and it'll still work and it'll still sound nice as long as you do a strum, pause, strum, pause, strum, pause, strum, pause. See, that's pretty, right? So let's try that last line of the chorus. 1, I'll take it slower. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. We simply turn our heads and look the other way. Let's try the whole chorus. I think we can do it. Maybe barely, but I think we can do it. It's just a lot of fast switches. Here we go. 1, 2, I'll take it slow. 1, 2, ready, go. G, F, C, F, G, 2 C's down, down, back to G. Good. F, C, F, E minor, D minor, slow down to a G. Yeah, that's it. Actually, there were other songs that I wanted to do for the challenge. There are just so many great Elvis Presley hits that are so near and dear to many of you watching. So for my Patreon community, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bonus tutorial and play along. I'm going to have them vote for which one will be the bonus video. So join our Patreon community. Patreon's a website that allows you to support creators like me so that we can hopefully do this full time. So thanks to my Patreon community, I am able to do this full time. And I provide PDFs that I don't share everywhere or anywhere else. Live lessons via Zoom on Wednesdays and Thursdays. And if you can't be there in person, I offer the replay available to the Patreon members. And then there's been, even though this challenge was technically 10 videos, my Patreon community received the 10 play along videos from beginning of the song to the end of the song without stopping. So yeah, the Patreon community had more videos as well. So if you'd like to join, it's there. Yeah, so Patreon fam, you get to vote on the bonus vid. So I have an online shop called Ukulele. It's ukuleles.com. And in that shop, I sell ukuleles that I personally love. And remember, I started this challenge with a figure 8 solid mango. Well, that one sold. So then I played a different one and that one sold. So thank you so much for supporting my store. So I sold out of the mango ukes. I actually have another shipment that has just arrived. I just haven't changed the strings yet. So today I played another one of the ukes that's available in my shop, and that's my signature ukulele. This one I made in collaboration with Enya. I put my signature B on the back, and this one's acoustic electric, so you can plug it in if you want to record yourself and get really nice quality audio, if you want to plug it into an amp and see what it feels like to plug in an instrument like this. It comes with strap buttons and the strap and a clip-on tuner and, oh yeah, pretty little tassel to hang from here. And then I know I throw in one other thing I'm forgetting right now, but I'll link it down below so that you can get yours. This one also sold out, but I have another shipment of these coming and some in blue coming. So if you're interested, check out Ukulele. Thank you for supporting the channel. And since I have you here, I have to talk about Ukulele magazine. This is a community magazine written by the people that watch this channel. Like, I only write the intro article, and then all the other articles are written by members of this community. So if you're a member of the magazine, can you please comment below? So we have all kinds of articles. Here's where we're remembering one of our members who passed away that we absolutely loved. Another member that we absolutely loved that passed away, and they both really changed our lives. In it you can see how to add a pickup to your ukulele. Maybe you don't want to do it, but you want to learn about the process. Maybe you do want to do it. And then an article about the baritone ukulele. We asked you to send in pictures of your pets, and so we published pictures of your pets with the ukulele. So if you're interested in joining our magazine community and writing an article, or if you just want this, you want this physical magazine, I have it linked down below. And the PDF version of the magazine is available, and it's 100% free. And the physical copy, we only charge enough so that we can pay for the printing and the shipping of the magazine. We do ship worldwide, and we put it in a waterproof packaging so that, let's say like it rains or something where you live, you don't have to worry about it because it comes completely sealed. So that the magazine will be safe when it gets to your home. Alrighty, well that concludes this year's ukulele challenge. I hope that you'll join me in future challenges. If you have a challenge idea, please comment it down below, because I really do read every comment and I come to your comments and feedback for ideas for future videos. I believe the next little mini challenge might be a 5, maybe 3-day challenge. I get questions about how to chuck, and so I might break that down into a small challenge. But tell me what you want to learn. I will write the course for it and put it here on YouTube. I love your ideas. I love getting to help you on your ukulele journey. And please, if you join the Patreon community, get your tickets so that we can meet in person. So I'm going to be in Canada. I'm going to be in Anaheim at the end of January. I'm going to be in El Centro, California here, February. And then March, I believe, is in Washington State. And then May in Canada. Anyway, I have all the dates on my Patreon community, so please come out so that we can meet each other. It will be so fun. And then I'll be at the 2024 LA Uke Festival in September, so get your tickets. I'm already confirmed for that one. Yeah, all right, let's hang out, let's meet. And let me know how this challenge was for you. Love you so much. Mwah. Take care and see you soon. Ciao.